Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, we will be collabing with the lovely Wiggins hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous loose deep wave unit. It is in 200 density and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. This wig is absolutely stunning. In today's video, I showed you guys how I installed it, and it is 100% glueless, so I could take it off at night, which is perfect, especially for the summertime. So if you want yourself a really nice, easy, affordable summertime unit, just definitely click the links in the description box. In today's video, I showed you guys how I did my glueless install, the baby hairs, how I did my definition of the curls / waves, which are absolutely gorgeous. This 200 density is really nice and full, but at the same time it is very lightweight, and that is amazing. I talk more about it in the review portion of today's video. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave. Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous twine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Okay mamas, so I am finally back and this wig is from Wiggins Hair. They decided to send me this gorgeous 18-inch loose deep wave wig. It is in 200 density and a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I am living for the thickness and fullness of this hair because even though it is both thick and full, it is very lightweight. You know, when it's the summertime out and you get to sweating and the hair gets to tangling, I don't think this is gonna do that because it is really lightweight, and that is something that I love. You won't be doing too much sweating because it's very lightweight also, so that is something that I'm loving about this wig. Also, the frontal was super easy to style, customize, and all that stuff. And when it comes to the parting space, I'm living for this 4-inch parting space because it goes all the way from here to here. So if you want to do a deep side part, you want your side part to start from the side of your neck, it could do that, and you could have 4 inches, 4 full inches. Thank you so much, Wiggins, for sending me this gorgeous wig. I definitely love it, and thank you so much for watching. The links will be in the description box below for you to purchase, and as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.